Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am back again with a new video. So this video is going to be a requested one because some request came in my last videos that I should be making a video on how to manage the 12-hour routine and how to get time for solving the PYQs as well as with the revision and how to manage your timetable. So I'll be sharing with you. I won't be I won't be giving you a timetable to follow, but I'll be helping you with my timetable, how I used to plan my day, and you can take your time according to you. If you're a morning person, you can shift the time to morning. If you're a night person, you can shift your time to night. But how to sit in one slot and how to plan your revision, I'll be sharing that to you. So let's get started with the video and let's see how to plan your day for 12 hours study. Okay, so firstly तो 12 hours तो पढ़नी है. Whether you are doing your third revision, your first revision, your second revision, it doesn't matter. But you have to be doing 12 hours, and 12 hours doesn't mean that you're sitting and you're seeing the clock. You have to do a time watch with you. You have to keep a time watch with you, whether it can be in your phone or tab, wherever also you're studying. In that time watch, you should be getting stopwatch. You should be having 12 hours. If 12 hours is touching in that stopwatch, 11 and a half hour, 12 hour means your ideal study is going on. You should be first of all keeping that in mind. That should be your target, that somehow in the whole day your 12 hours should be getting completed. If by the end of the night when your sleeping time is there and still it is 11 hour, or still the clock has not reached 12 hours time, so that is you are at fault. You should have that thing in mind that I have to sit 1 hour extra, don't sleep without getting 12 hours on the clock. If you'll be that much strict to yourself, automatically the timetable is going to improve. 1 hour more data is going to go in your mind and you will be sleeping satisfied. Don't sleep without completing 12 hours. Don't get satisfied in 10 hour and 11 hour. I'm saying you 12 hours is must, because the amount of data which needs to be there in your mind needs a lot of time right now, needs a lot of revision and needs your fully concentration on that data. So please be serious for that. 2 months are left. Now is the time. Whatever you were doing before this, if you were studying, you were not studying, you were busy in some things and you have not studied nicely. This 2 months also, if you are going to be fully sincere and you're going to be serious in studying, these 2 months are enough to make you score that 150. Trust me, it's enough. So let's see how are you going to plan your day. So what I used to do, I was a morning person. I didn't used to study late at night, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I'll be studying maximum till 12, maximum till 1. I'll be sleeping after that. So what I used to do, I used to get up at 8 o'clock. 8 to 9, 1 hour morning, I'll start the day with question solving. First I used to study 1 hour, but after some days I started my day as question solving. This was an advice from Rajiv Dhawan sir, which was really helpful. Start your day with question solving. The advantage of that is going to be the morning itself, getting up itself, you are going to stimulate your brain for thinking, because you are going to solve questions. Now what are you going to solve question? It can be PYQ, it can be a yesterday topic, yesterday which subject you read, and at last solve the questions of that in morning. Morning 1 hour question solving. 1 hour question solving or you can, if you want, you can start with studying 1 hour, get in morning. 8 to 9 question solving, 9 to 10 I'll be doing all my work, eating everything and all. I'll get fresh and everything and I'll sit for studying again. 10 to 12 one slot. I'll go for 10 to 1 3 hour continue. So तुम अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. If you can sit for 2 hours, you want to take break in between. Break is totally on you. You want to take an half an hour break, you want to take 10 minutes break, you want to take 5 minutes break. Break should be there between 2 hours, 3 hours, just for stretching your body. Go get a walk in home, 2-3 time walk, go washroom, eat something, drink water, come back again. Don't sit and see TV or go on social media. That all should not happen. Don't open your social media whole day. This is what I used to do. I used to open social media, I used to open Instagram, but I'll make sure that I open them only at night, not in the daytime. So just do these things. Morning के 1 घंटे की पढ़ाई हो गई, 8 to 9, 10 to 1, 3 hours एक sitting में. 1 o'clock I'll be taking break. I'll go for eating lunch. 2 o'clock again I'll come back to study. Or that I used to, even you can shuffle that time. कभी 1 के जगह पे 2 तक भी पढ़ाई कर ली. जैसे एक टॉपिक अगर कंप्लीट करना है, if I'm doing something and I have to complete that, so I'll continue 4 hours. बीच में 10-15 minutes break is okay. तो वो 2 o'clock तक कर लिया, तो 4 hours हो गए पूरे के पूरे. And then 2 to 3 I'll take 1 hour lunch. 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 1 hour lunch, whenever also it suits you. after that 4 o'clock 4 hours of study is done here, 3 hours here, 10 to 1 and 1 hour in morning, so 4 hours. उसके बाद 3 to 6 कंटिन्यू 1 hour, तो कंटिन्यू 3 hours, so 3 hours वहां हो गए. एंड उसके बाद 1 hour break, 1 hour, half an hour, how also it suits you. According to that, we'll take break. And then 7 to 9, again 2 hours. So if you will calculate this, I think so it comes around 8 to 9 hours. So till 9 o'clock at night, my 9 hours used to touch to the clock. 9 to 10 hours, I'll make sure that I touch to the clock. Half an hour break was the maximum break I used to take. I never used to take 1 hour break. Even for eating lunch also, my thing used to be that I'll eat fastly and I'll come back to study. So 10-15 minutes में खाना हो जाता है, and then 10 minutes I'll just simply see any movie or any kind of song or something on YouTube I'll be seeing, and then I'll come back for studying. So half an hour maximum. I never used to take more than half an hour break. So that was my thing, because जितना टाइम उधर वेस्ट होगा, इधर आई हैव टू गेट अप मोर लेट टिल नाइट एंड आई हैव टू कंप्लीट माय 12 hours. सो दैट यूज्ड टू बी इन माइंड. सो आई डिडंट यूज टू टेक मोर देन हाफ एन आवर ब्रेक. सो तुम्हें अपने हिसाब से ये पूरे दिन की प्लानिंग करनी है. एंड टिल 9 o'clock आई यूज टू मेक श्योर दैट माई 10 hours हैज रीच्ड ऑन द क्लॉक. आफ्टर दैट आई ईट फूड एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड एट 10-10:30 अराउंड 10:30 I think so, 10:30 11 also sometimes, 10:30 11 I'll again sit. I'll solve questions. Now what am I going to solve questions in that? I used to do 2 subjects in a day, 6 hours और 5 hours तो 10 hours होते हैं. If not one, if it is a big subject, if it is a main subject, then it includes just 1 day, right? So what subject I started in the morning, that subject I used to solve at night. Which subject I did in the evening, I used to solve the questions in the next day morning. So जो next day morning 1 hour questions I used to solve, that used to be the second half studying of my previous day. So वैसे 2 subjects के questions हो जाते थे, and 2 hours में PYQs ऐड हो जाते थे, and if I have to do any new questions or any kind of thing, वो वहां पे हो जाता था. So this was one thing. When I was not solving questions, या जिस दिन एक subject ही करा, that day also same day questions we can do. Custom model करके एक और subjects I used to add in that. So वो 2 subjects का shuffle हो जाता था, and then same thing in morning. Custom model दे देते थे. So this is how I used to plan the routine. Daily in this way 3 hours of question solving was there in my timetable, and 10 hours of studying was there. 9 hours of studying, 9 to 10 hours. So total of 12 to 13 hours on an average. 12 hours तो minimum was there, my everyday routine. 13 hours some days it used to touch, some days it didn't used to touch. So this was some way I used to be. अगर तुम 3 hours for question you can't give, at least try to give 2 hours for question daily. 2 hours question is ideal. तुम whole day पढ़ाई करो, and just going before sleep तुम 2 hours question solve कर लो. If you can't solve questions at night because you get tired and you feel sleepy while solving question, तो be a morning person. Get up in the morning, and the first thing which you should start your day with is solving questions. सुबह 2 घंटे question solve कर लो, then you start doing your study. So how also it suits you, you can do that. And this question solving should be a part of your daily routine till the exam day, before I think so 1 week before exam, because last 1 week में तुम कितने question solve कर पाओगे daily 2 hours of question and all, I can't say you that, because that time our mindset is different. In one subject we'll be doing 3 subjects in a day sometimes, so वो थोड़ा hectic हो जाता है. That time questions for 50-60 questions भी solve करा तो it's enough. तो इसलिए for that time till, but before that means 31st December तक at least you can keep this part of your routine, that at least 2 hours of question solving there should be in your 12 hour of routine. Rest balance 10 hours you should be studying. Abhi someone asked me how to do subjects in 2 subjects in 1 day. So for that I'll say you, big subjects को तुम सिंगल सब्जेक्ट्स पे रखो. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड यू टू डू मेडिसिन इन सिस्टम वाइज. ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू डू मेडिसिन सिस्टम वाइज ना, यू वॉन्ट फील हेक्टिक मेडिसिन, बिकॉज तुम मेडिसिन को एक दिन में तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. वेदर इफ यू डू इट विद रैपिड रिविजन ऑल्सो, आई डोंट थिंक इन 1 day मेडिसिन इज पॉसिबल विद सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस. सो तुम्हें 2 to 3 days लगने ही लगने हैं. बेटर सब्जेक्ट वाइज कर लो. तुम एक दिन में 2 सिस्टम कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. Make it do either shuffle it with a small subject and medicine, or else shuffle it with other subjects. Abhi what I used to do, I used to shuffle some subjects. I'll be saying you that, like I used to do biochemistry कर के साथ पीडिया कर लिया. तो starting का 2-3 hours, 3 to 4 hours में biochemistry वो will be done. Notes, you have to study your notes. Means I used to study my notes in that part. तो biochemistry, if I am sitting at 10 o'clock and morning to 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock, तो 2 to 3 o'clock I'll make sure I'll do my biochem and I'll get up. Between half an hour break I took for anything and all, that is okay, and then I'll get up and for biochem, and then I'll take 1 hour break, 1 hour, half an hour, whatever be. And second sitting in evening I'll be doing pedia with this. सो पीडिया भी छोटा सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है, बायोकेमिस्ट्री ऑल्सो इट मैनेजेस बोथ ऑफ देम, तुम एक दिन में कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, हाफ डे इट विल टेक। क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने टाइम रात को बायोकेम के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया, नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई विल बी गेटिंग अप आई विल बी डूइंग पीडिया क्वेश्चंस। सो दिस इज समहाउ आई यूज्ड टू मैनेज दिस बोथ सब्जेक्ट। ऑप्था के साथ आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑर्थो। ऑप्था इज अ बिट मींस इट्स नॉट मोर लेस देन बायोकेम बट इट इज मोर देन दैट। सो ऑप्था कर लिया, ऑप्था में आई थिंक सो 5-6 आवर्स आराम से जाते हैं with your reading of notes. Ortho के लिए 2 hours is enough. What I used to do for ortho, I didn't made any notes. Prep ladder का flashback session है, that one video flashback और LRR. Last year January LRR. This both video I used to see together and this was only which I did for ortho. If you are having access to prep ladder and you can see your LRR video, so please go and see that LRR video and flashback session. You are done with ortho. You don't need to do any extra thing. 2 hours both the videos are there, so in 4 hours you will be done with ortho. Next subject which I used to shuffle was ENT and radio, because ENT में 3 पार्ट आ जाता है, तो ENT becomes little bit hectic for revision. So तुम आराम से 6 to 7 hours you can take, because ENT में the hectic part is going to be ear. Nose and throat part it becomes easy, but ear is somewhat which takes time. So उसके साथ radio कर लिया. Radio for I have said this in my before video also, don't go for your notes, don't go for RRR or rapid revision also, just go for LRR. If you are having access to prep ladder, just go for LRR. Everything is covered in radio, nothing else is needed. अगर तुमने छोटे सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए चैंटिंग सेशन लिया है तो देन ऑल्सो यू आर सॉर्टेड. सो रेडियो के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. After that I used to shuffle physio plus derma, because derma I was doing with my notes, and physio के लिए मैंने LRR video देखा था, मेरी physio complete नहीं हुई थी, I didn't study physio. But if you are going for that physio video which I said on YouTube, that for I think so it is 12-hour video. So if you are going to be studying from that, the whole day is going to go, even it is not going to complete in whole day. You need 2 days for physio in that way. And if you can do little bit fast, you can see that means one day you can complete it on high speed. So that way this subject can be managed. PSM 1 whole day it is going to take, surgery whole day it is going to take, medicine every day it is going to take. If you can take single slot में करना है तो 2 days maximum medicine, and medicine will be done with RR videos. If your concepts are clear in medicine, then medicine will get finished in 2 days revision with subject by system by system, या फिर daily कर लिया, so that way also it will get finished. Pharma also is going to take nicely or 1 hour, 1 whole day, because pharma is lengthy obviously, and a lot of drugs and a lot of things are there to remember. But if you have to go very shortcut on that, I have already said you marathon sessions are there. Yeah, marathon sessions are there on Cerebellum platform. You can go and see there. 5 hours video is there of last January session. After that also they would have come online, I'm sure. So you can go and check that. That which pharma is sorted. Those who have not studied pharma, it's for them. Micro for I have said before, I did it from LRR videos. So if you have not done micro, LRR videos for you can go. If you have did micro, RR is enough. Micro patho dono Preeti Sharma's RR is enough. You don't need to go for anything extra. I think so 4 days it will take for patho plus micro. If you will go with RR, both the thing included, so you can go and see, and 4 days this both subjects will be done with question solving. So that way you can complete this. Forensic, anesthesia and psychiatry, ये 3 चीज same day I did. Forensic, anesthesia, psychiatry. Anesthesia for I have said this in my old videos. Notes are uploaded on my Telegram channel. I made some handwritten 4-5 pages notes, and that was enough for anesthesia. In that all the drugs name, their side effects and everything are there. So that is enough for anesthesia. Not more than that question comes. If any one of you need, please do join my Telegram channel. It's on there. It's available there. So I think so maximum 1 hour and you are sorted with anesthesia. Psychiatry for Nadeem sir की video है YouTube पे. I did that and I was sorted with psychiatry. Forensic for also Nadeem sir की video है YouTube पे. I was sorted with that. So these 3 subjects was done in 1 day. So this is how somehow I have tried to give you a rough idea, because I don't have my entire routine planned. So what I have in my mind I said you. So this was somehow I used to do my whole day planning and subjects choosing. But one thing I would like to say you, whether you are a night reader or else you are a day reader, you can shift the time according to you. I have not said you that you should sit till 10 to 1, it's compulsory. तुम 10 to 12 भी करके half an hour break ले सकते हो, again 12:30 to 2:30 बैठ सकते हो. After every 2 hour half an hour break, 2 hour half an hour break also if you are going to do in whole day, you are going to come complete with 8 hours to confirm. After that you have to be balanced of where are you going to shift your time. तो वो तुम अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. तो you have to plan your routine, plan accordingly. It was just a rough idea from my side, and just keep preparing, make a routine and start now. Now is the time where you should be having the most of the pressure, and this is the time to be really serious. If till now you have not become serious for exam, now is the time for the most serious time of the exam preparation. So please be serious right now. For repeaters, one thing I would like to say, please, all my friends or whoever also is seeing this video, please make sure that you all are solving more questions. There is no lacking in your preparations. The only place where we tend to lose our preparation point is solving questions. We keep on revising and we don't solve questions. Please GT though, and please solve more questions. We are also from platforms, we are also from your solving questions. Make sure that you're solving question and reviewing them and seeing that what are your mistakes. So please do that and solve more questions. And this was all, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, prepare nicely, study well, solve more questions, and remember this: revise and say yourself daily, I can and I will, and I'm going to pass this time. And just all the best for your preparation, and I'll see you in the next video.